While the whole stock market is going down, 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 and everybody is absolutely going crazy, I'm just buying more Tesla shares, I'm buying more space shares, and I'm sharing this obviously mostly in my Discord directly when I'm doing that. So check out the x10masterclass.com and you will get even 10% for the last 3 or 4 days until end of Feb, and there will be no discounts. Rather, the price will go up because I'm adding a whole Virgin Galactic case study with 50 to 70 brand new videos about Virgin Galactic. You know, it will be absolutely insane. So make sure to get into while you still have the discount and not the price raise after I add the Virgin Galactic content. So for all of those who are out there and bought already the masterclass, which is, I'm super glad how many people decided to go for the masterclass. We'll obviously have all this new content forever for free, so it's lifetime access to Discord, so check that out. Now, I'm buying more because I just don't see a huge reason for a market crash, all right? And when was the last time when you had a great discount on your favorite stocks? As you know, I love Tesla. You know, I love space. So you can see here that actually you have from 900, which was the last big price for Tesla stock, till now 600 something, is about 30% off, guys, okay? For the best company in the whole world. And the second best company in the whole world, space, went from all-time high 60 something, I think, until now 45-ish, is also a great discount. So I'm just loading up because stocks you can hold forever. They are just going either down or going up, depending on, you know, the mood of the market. So you can hold them forever and just average down the price. But there's two things that actually space investors are looking up to now. So first, when is the news for the next test flight? Is it upcoming weekend, right? Is it just beginning of March? The flight window is open till the end of February. So, you know, it's get a little bit hot on those dates, but in the end of the day, I think if they give a call to FAA and say, you know, guys, we had this unexpected, technical things that we wanted to put more time into checking for the security of our crew and, the payload of NASA, just extend it for a little bit. I think there's no big deal about that. But once this is announced, I think the stock can go way over 50. But today we are talking about the second most important event for Virgin Galactic, which is the earnings. Okay, the earnings will be released this Thursday, after the market closes. So I'm super excited because it's so interesting what happened over the last 3 months. There's not big news or constant news by Virgin Galactic, so these big news events are very important for us to see. If I think the PR or communication department could do a better job, no, because what you expect, if you are out there and saying, you know, they could update us more, what they should do, you know, I mean, they are checking now all the systems. The airplane is there attached with the spaceship, so I'm thinking that there's no big deal that they had to take it off. And moreover, they're just doing so much behind the scenes. Believe me that it will be, you know, just the patience required from your side. Just relax and enjoy the discounts on your favorite stocks. I'm super excited about that as well, and as you can see, I'm buying, right? For that, I would love to jump now with you together to the earnings presentation of last quarter, because according to that, I can tell you exactly what I'm looking for. So let's dive in. By the way, before we diving in, make sure I might live stream to the whole event, because there's also other stocks interested that are reporting, like for example Airbnb or Beyond Meat. So make sure to follow me on Twitch, where you can then follow my live stream on the earnings of Virgin Galactic. I'm super excited, so make sure you are tuned there as well on my Twitter and Instagram account. Let's dive into the earnings of last quarter. All right, so let's dive into the earnings of the 5th of November, where we talked about the third quarter of 2020. Guys, this kind of presentations you can find on the website of Virgin Galactic under events and presentation on the investor relation website. Okay, and then you can have here the second quarter results, the third quarter results, and there's always the press release and the earnings presentation. And we was first last time a little bit, let's say, overrun through this new presentation style, which I quite like. Maybe it has something to do that Michael Kohlglaser is there, or anything else. And then obviously, you know, we are starting this presentation quite impactful with the Spaceport America, right? The first American crazy commercial spaceport ever. And then the first side was about the, you know, Michael Kohlglaser achievements, which they talk about milestones: completing the data review, install the cabin interior camera system, hardware for live video download link, implemented upgrades to the flight control system, prepared the second spaceship vehicle 2 for rollout, and so on and so forth. And then completed also third floor at Spaceport America. So I think something like this we will have also directly in the beginning of the presentation later tonight, which I will live stream. So follow me there. Wolf of Dubai Live is my Twitch name. So make sure to check that out and make sure to follow me there. Then you have had a little bit of an impact, information because of that. Obviously, there was some delay, which is logical, and this needs to be understood by every single investor, guys. And then the 100 days insight. This is mainly made for the, let's say, addition of Michael Kohlglaser. Okay, so he was 100 days into the position of the CEO, and the next couple of, let's say, slides are a little bit about what this vision is. Approaching suggests 1 billion revenue opportunity per spaceport and so on. Then a little bit about the team, which was missing also a little bit prior to the other presentation. So the presentation got a little bit better from the last earnings report before Michael Kohlglaser was on board, which I like, and I'm really curious how it will look later tonight if the presentation even prepared and become better. And maybe we will have also some news about the test flight, who knows, right? A picture of the beautiful Spaceship 2 and the White Knight, the mothership, which is fantastic, and the spaceport here. Beautiful pictures that we have. So then the test flight program update, something like this, we should also expect into the next, let's say, earnings presentation, which I really look forward to. Obviously, this was a little bit shifted, so not in the Q1 of 2021 we will have the Richard Branson space flight. I hope that we'll see that in Q2, right? So update on the spaceship. Obviously, this is in construction, also nothing new here. Commercial updates, a little bit about the program. And this is the most important number here for me, okay? This is most important for me here. 900 participants. This is 300, more than it was before, which is fantastic because this shows you just the demand. And this is the most important number, in my personal opinion, the whole report. So whatever we will have in news-wise, we should see how the demand is. And by all the crazy new content out there and things that happening with SpaceX and space series out there, I think the demand will just grow over time. And then a little bit of financials here. It will be important that how much loss they are taking per quarter, and then how much the cash position will last. But 742 million, even when they go with this pensum, you see that they can easily sustain about, 10 quarters, which is 2.5 years before they got dry in cash. But we will fly by then, and also with the higher stock price we can raise more money. So I'm not or at all concerned about that. And then you have a little bit of the income statement, which is a little bit boring because it's almost the same every time. I think that the most important part here is to focus on this timeline. Obviously, even though we need to take this always as a grain with flexibility from our end as understanding, then this update on the spaceship will be important as well, and the pool of potential clients will be the most important thing to watch. So we are just a couple of hours away. Make sure to follow me on Twitch. I will just quickly show you how you can find me on Twitch. Here, Twitch, Wolf of Dubai Live. This is my channel. Not much followers here, but I just joined here because I currently cannot stream on YouTube. So this is an alternative to see it live tomorrow. So make sure head out and follow me, and you will get notified when I will be online. So thank you very much. And just a couple of hours left. I'm super excited.